Hey there! Today I'm here to help you save some cash while driving your beloved ride. That's right, I'm about to share some tips and tricks on how to improve your car's fuel efficiency. There are many ways to improve the fuel efficiency of a vehicle. These primarily involve efficient driving and proper maintenance of the vehicle. So here are some key steps to achieve optimum and improve fuel efficiency. Maintain the speed limit. Overspeeding or rapid acceleration wastes fuel. Sudden and frequent braking also wastes fuel. Depending on the type of car you have, poor driving habits can result in up to 30% extra fuel consumption. Maintaining the speed limit can save you from spending that amount of money. It also helps the car to be in good shape for the longer run. Don't overload. Additional weight to the car means additional load for the engine, which results in higher fuel consumption. Smaller vehicles are usually more affected by higher weight compared to larger cars. Hence, always try to avoid overloading the car. Also, try not to add unnecessary accessories, as those add weight to the vehicle, impacting fuel economy. Use cruise control. Using cruise control under appropriate situations can improve fuel efficiency by up to 14%. This means a lot of fuel can be saved by using cruise control under certain circumstances. Turn off the ignition in signals. Signals can be long and boring. Am I right? Well, they can be costly as well. Idling results in huge consumption of fuel in the long run. The California Energy Commission advises that the vehicle should be turned off if the expected wait will be longer than 10 seconds, as an idling vehicle can burn as much as 1 gallon petrol per hour. Maintain the tire pressure. Maintaining the original equipment manufacturer, that is OEM, suggested tire pressure ensures improved fuel efficiency. Lower tire pressure results in more pressure on the engine. Hence, always try to maintain optimum tire pressure. Replace the spark plugs. Did you know bad spark plugs can decrease fuel economy by up to 30%? They can cost drivers a hefty amount. In case a vehicle's mileage drops suddenly, there is a good chance that its spark plugs will be misfiring and need replacement. Changing the air filter. The air filter's job is to keep the contaminants out of the engine, and by doing so, over time the contaminants build up and reduce the airflow of the vehicle's intake system. Hence, changing the air filter at the right time is always recommended to let the vehicle breathe well. Depending on the vehicle's age, dirty air filters can reduce fuel efficiency by up to 10%. The new generation engines with computer management systems usually pick up the dirty filter and feed the engines a lesser amount of fuel to compensate, which eventually reduces the performance. Hence, keeping the air filters clean is always recommended to get the optimum fuel efficiency. Plan your route beforehand. Lesser the stops, the better the average you'll get. Also, don't mind taking a couple of extra kilometers versus a congested city road. You will still save on fuel. Check out the available route options online before you start your trip and choose the one with fewer stoppages. Combine trips. Less start-stop, less fuel burnt. Also, try to avoid driving during rush hours. You'll end up putting more strain on your car's clutch in stop-and-go traffic and also reduce your car's fuel efficiency quite dramatically. You should figure out your route beforehand by using navigation apps such as the Google Maps. Keep it serviced. Regular service, clean air filters and fuel filters will help in giving better fuel efficiency. A choked air filter will feed in the dirty air inside and the engine will result in more fuel being burned, which translates into poor fuel efficiency. The difference might not be a lot, but every little step contributes to increasing the overall fuel efficiency of your car. And there you have it, folks. With these simple and practical tips, you can improve your car's fuel efficiency and save some money on gas. So next time you hit the road, remember to put these tips into action and enjoy the ride while keeping your wallet happy. So tell me, which tip did you find the most interesting? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.